Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're exploring a timeless style that continues to capture our hearts with its simplicity and charm, the simple bungalow house. Today, we're exploring why this classic design is making a major comeback and how it might just be the perfect fit for a life of comfort and ease. So, what exactly is a simple bungalow? The word bungalow originates from India and means house in the Bengali style. Architecturally, a bungalow is typically a one-story or one-and-a-half-story, low-profile home with a wide, open footprint. The simple part of the design emphasizes its core principles: an honest, unpretentious aesthetic with clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on practicality. Simple bungalows often feature a broad, gabled roof with deep overhangs, a prominent covered front porch, and large, multi-paned windows. The layout is designed for functionality and convenience, with all the primary living spaces on a single floor. This makes the home feel incredibly cohesive and accessible. It's a style that prioritizes a strong connection to the outdoors and a relaxed, comfortable lifestyle, proving that you don't need a massive, ornate house to create a beautiful and functional home. The appeal of a bungalow goes far beyond its charming facade. One of the most significant benefits is accessibility and convenience. With most of the living space on a single level, bungalows are perfect for families, retirees, or anyone who wants to avoid stairs. This single-story design makes daily life easier and provides a safe and secure environment for all ages. Another key benefit is cost-effectiveness. The simpler construction, smaller overall footprint, and less complex design generally make bungalows more affordable to build and maintain than larger, multi-story homes. The compact layout also means they are often more energy efficient, as it's easier to heat and cool the entire space. This makes them a smart and sustainable choice for a wide range of budgets. Finally, bungalows foster a deep connection to the outdoors. The signature front porch and low-profile design create a natural transition between the interior and the surrounding landscape. They invite you to sit outside, relax, and interact with your neighborhood, making the home feel like a part of a larger community. This blend of practicality, affordability, and a welcoming aesthetic makes the simple bungalow a truly timeless choice. The exterior of a simple bungalow is its heart and soul. To make it look its best, you should focus on highlighting its classic features while adding a touch of your own personality. The color palette is a great place to start. Traditional bungalows often use earthy tones like greens, browns, and grays, which help them blend seamlessly with nature. For a more modern look, consider a crisp white, dark gray, or even black with warm wood accents. The contrast will highlight the clean lines of the home. The front porch is the main event. Furnish it with comfortable rocking chairs or a porch swing to create an inviting atmosphere. Add a few potted plants or a hanging basket to bring a touch of life and color. A custom wooden door with glass inserts can also serve as a beautiful focal point. Lastly, don't overlook landscaping. Simple, well-defined flower beds with native plants, a winding stone pathway, and a well-maintained lawn can perfectly frame the home and enhance its curb appeal. Remember, with a bungalow, every detail contributes to a cohesive, charming, and welcoming overall look. While the core elements remain the same, the bungalow has been adapted into several popular design styles. Craftsman bungalow, the most well-known style, characterized by a low-pitched gabled roof, wide eaves with exposed rafters, and a deep front porch. It emphasizes natural materials like wood and stone, with decorative elements that highlight custom craftsmanship. Modern bungalow. This contemporary take on the classic bungalow strips away the ornamentation, focusing on clean lines, simple forms, and a neutral color palette. It often features large windows and an open concept interior to maximize natural light and space. Cottage bungalow. This style is all about creating a cozy, charming, and quaint feel. It often features softer colors, decorative shingles, and a slightly more romantic, whimsical aesthetic, often surrounded by lush, informal gardens. Farmhouse bungalow. This style combines the single-story convenience of a bungalow with the rustic charm of a farmhouse. It typically features a classic gabled roof, large windows, and a generous front porch, often in a clean white or light color palette. Now, let's take a tour of some of the best simple bungalow designs we could find. Each of these homes shows how this classic style can be adapted to be both beautiful and functional. One, the classic American craftsman. This home is the perfect example of a timeless craftsman bungalow. The deep, welcoming front porch, supported by sturdy pillars, invites you to sit and relax. The low-pitched roof with its visible rafters and the mix of stone and wooden siding create a sense of authenticity and rugged charm. The neutral color palette helps the home blend seamlessly into its natural surroundings, making it a true American classic that feels both grand and incredibly approachable. 2. The charming two-story bungalow. This design proves that a bungalow can be a perfect family home. While maintaining the low-profile charm of a bungalow, it features a second story or a well-designed attic space, providing extra room without a massive footprint. The prominent dormer windows and the cozy front porch add to its curb appeal, while the classic siding and a simple color palette make it feel both modern and timeless. It's an ideal blend of classic style and practical space. 3. A sleek, minimalist modern bungalow. This home reinterprets the bungalow for the 21st century. It strips away all ornamentation, leaving a clean, box-like structure with a simple, modern aesthetic. The facade combines smooth, white stucco with warm wood accents, creating a striking contrast. The oversized, black-framed windows are a hallmark of modern design, flooding the interior with natural light and making the home feel incredibly open. It's a perfect example of how a bungalow can be both simple and sophisticated. 4. The white modern farmhouse bungalow. This home perfectly blends the simplicity of a bungalow with the classic charm of a farmhouse. The crisp white exterior gives it a clean, contemporary look, while the gabled roof and large front porch pay homage to its traditional roots. The design is all about balance and light, creating a home that feels both fresh and cozy. The dark roof and window frames provide a pleasing contrast to the white siding, making the architectural details pop. 5. A bungalow with textured charm. This home beautifully incorporates a mix of materials to create a facade with a lot of character. The lower half of the home is clad in a classic red brick or stone, which provides a strong, durable foundation. The upper half uses a light-colored siding, which keeps the home from feeling too heavy. The large front porch and a simple, elegant roofline tie the two textures together, creating a bungalow that is both simple and visually rich. 6. The cozy, traditional bungalow. With its deep, covered front porch and classic low-slung roof, this home feels like it has been a part of the landscape for generations. The dark gray or brown exterior helps it blend into its natural setting, while the white trim on the windows and pillars provides a simple, clean contrast. The design is straightforward and authentic, highlighting the inherent warmth and charm that make bungalows so appealing. It's a timeless and inviting home. 7. The modern bungalow with a statement roof. This bungalow offers a contemporary twist with a bold, asymmetric roofline that creates a dramatic visual. While maintaining the single-story layout and connection to the ground, the design uses clean forms and a striking roof to add a modern flair. The combination of dark wood and light-colored siding gives it a sophisticated feel. This home is a great example of how to make a simple bungalow feel unique and architecturally exciting. 8. A bungalow of pure simplicity. This is a bungalow in its purest form, unadorned, simple, and clean. The home's low profile and single-story design makes it feel approachable and integrated with the landscape. The large windows on the side of the home suggest an open, light-filled interior, while the simple facade and minimal details prove that great design doesn't have to be complicated. It's the perfect home for a minimalist lifestyle. 9. The Cottage-Style Bungalow Retreat. This charming home leans into the cottage aesthetic with its rustic, lived-in feel. The asymmetrical gabled roof and the welcoming porch give it a storybook quality. The home's cozy look is enhanced by the use of different textures on the exterior. This design is perfect for those who want a simple, unpretentious home that feels like a warm and inviting retreat from the world. 10. The Grand Bungalow for Modern Families. This design proves that a bungalow can be both simple and grand. While it maintains the classic 1.5-story profile, its wide footprint and multiple gables give it a sense of scale and presence. The blend of a light facade, stone accents, and a large front porch creates a welcoming feel perfect for a large family. This home is a beautiful example of how the simple bungalow style can be adapted to fit a more contemporary, spacious lifestyle. From their classic charm to their modern versatility, simple bungalows are a beautiful reminder that the best homes are often the ones that are designed for comfort, ease, and a strong connection to the world around them. We hope this tour has inspired you to fall in love with the humble bungalow and see its incredible potential. Whether you're building new or renovating, this classic style offers a path to a more peaceful and practical life. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern bungalow house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.